I think it's special for every driver to be involved with a product starting from zero, let's say.
After such a long time of development, it's so exciting to see the baby on track.
We had a very fluent two-day run. I think the people from Audi straight away out of the box in dry conditions, the car felt really good. The shifting is amazing. This is another huge improvement. And technically everything went well. In the rain, the car felt really great. At some point we were even quicker than the GT3 cars.
We have a good weapon also to fight for the title this year, so very proud to be an Audi driver.